Hello guys, so welcome to this tutorial, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to earn $13 every single day with just one conversion. So this offer we're going to promote right now is called the italki. So basically, when you come over to Mylead, you have to click on this list of offer here to come over here and search for italki. Now this is the italki website, and this is the global one. Okay, so this is the global offer right here. You don't have to use this one that are basically for different countries. You can use this one that is basically for all countries in the world. So what this thing means, click on the details to see. Okay, so as you can see, this is the definition of the italki. Is a language learning platform where everybody can learn any language for themselves, like Chinese, Spanish, and so many of them. And the sales start as low as $10, $20, as cheap as that, and it's easily convert. Okay, so look at the forbidden traffic right here, which are spam, advertising using keyword, use your own LP trademark, and then cashback and adults. You can use other of these traffic source right here to make money for yourself. Now you have to click on promote, and when you click on promote right here, let me show you how you can be able to promote this offer. Now you can go over to the italki website. If you like, go over to italki.com, and then you'll be able to get the offer. Okay, let me just show you this. Let me go back to the list of program, and let's choose one language that we're going to be using on italki, so we can be able to use the deep link source on Mylead. Okay, let me search for this italki again. Okay, so this is the italki here. If I click on this image now, open it in a new tab, it will automatically open the italki website right here. So this is the italki website, and we're going to be promoting Spanish right here. So Spanish on italki has about 2,500 t-shirts. So I have to click here that says Spanish, and to show me lot of Chinese t-shirts. Now I will choose from one of the Chinese t-shirts, and I'll come back to Mylead. I have to click on the promote. I'm going to be using the Mylead deep link instead of our normal URL right here. So I have to come back here, click on this deep link, and the deep link is loading. You have to go to your italki and get the link of the page you want them to be redirected to. The work of this deep link is to direct people immediately to a particular page of the italki, so they can purchase whatever you want them to purchase. So let's say we come to this page. I have to copy the link now, and I have to come back to Mylead, click on the generate deep link here, and then you have to add this deep link. This is the second video of this CPA marketing challenge, and if you subscribe, make sure you stay and watch the video attentively. If you are starting at this point, make sure you watch part 1 of this video so you can be able to continue. Now generate your deep link here with this by pasting your link on the deep link option. These are other ones I've generated right here. Okay, you can generate the URL and still use it. Okay, so click on copy to copy them, and you are ready to go. Now this is the Chinese page they will be directed to once they click on my link. As you can see, $5 trial, $5 trial, $70 trial, and many of them. So as we are promoting Spanish now, let me show you the traffic source we're gonna be using for this tutorial. Now go over to your promoter kit here, promoterkit.com. You have to come over to this keyword research tool, click here, or you can click on this one that says bulk keyword. Okay, anyone you choose, just make sure it's a keyword research tool. You can use your own keyword research tool anyway, but I'm going to be using this one for this tutorial. Now I have to come here and search for our learn Chinese and Spanish. Now the reason why we search for this keyword is to get a lot of other keywords that are related to learning Spanish. Now I have to click here that says submit here, and it will redirect us here. Okay, as you can see, it's loading, and after it has finished loading here, it will show us all the metrics of the keyword that are related to learning Chinese. And the next thing we have to do, how to learn Chinese. There are many keywords here. Click on this arrow to go and see more keyword. Learn to speak Chinese faster. Now I have to copy this one. Now I have to come over to ChatGPT here, and we have to paste it here and start writing about this. Now it's our turn to write all of these keywords right here. Write about all these keywords that we have researched. Now continue to write about them on the traffic website I'll show you. Now come over to your ChatGPT. Have to paste this right here so you can generate easy content. Now click on the search, and this ChatGPT will give you a list of information about how you can learn Chinese easier. And after pasting this on the traffic I will show you, then you have to add your links on so many headings that are related to learning. Okay, so let's say for the use language learning apps here, you can highlight it during your posting and add your link. From there, people will click on it and make a purchase, and you make $13. Now we'll copy this link right now. Now we'll come over to this website called come over to reddit.com. So now that you're on your Reddit here, all you have to do is to click here that says create community. Then you have to create communities to learn Spanish. Okay, so you have to learn Spanish here, Spanish learners. Okay, so we'll give it a name now. It will be a public. Click on create a community. Now, so creating this community now, we're gonna start writing about this community. Create a post. Then you have to create first post related to the first one we did. Now this is our option here. Have to paste this in right here, all the article we wrote here, and then have to come over to the heading. This is the heading here. Learn to speak Spanish fast. Copy it, come over to this page and paste it on the heading. Okay, so if you have an image, you can actually add there. It's that simple. Now after doing everything, you can click on this post here, and let me finish up, because I show you guys you can actually add your own link here. So immerse yourself. You can say start your personal class here. Okay, so start your personal Spanish learning here. You can say meet your personal teacher here, something, highlight it, or you can just add your link right here. Now as you can see, one person is online, which might be us. Then you can approve yourself right here. Sorry, you have to paste this link on your post, so you can make posts as much as you like here, as many times as possible. But please do not use direct linking just like I did right here. Okay, you can use your landing page to post on Reddit, so that Reddit will not ban your account and do not spam. Now you have to come down here and put in your logo, put in your primary topic right here, like learning, education, and so many of them, careers, learning. You can search for learning here, so that people can get and see your community from search. Okay, so after doing all of this, you can continue your posting and do not spam. So with this, you can start getting a lot of traffic for yourself with Reddit. So if you love this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and wait for part 3 of this tutorial. So see you there. Goodbye.